Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, or you just don't think that it's possible because you're broke? Guess what? In today's video, I will show you how you can travel to Qatar for free. If this is something that you are interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. And if you're new here, please introduce yourself in comments. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for sharing my videos every time. Thank you for your amazing comments. I see you guys and I truly appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you. And if you're seeing me for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos every single week. And just so you know, in today's video, this university offers flights. Yes, it's fully funded all the way. Tuition free. They pay for your flights, they pay for your accommodation, you're feeding everything that and they also give you a stipend. If this is something you're interested in, don't even touch it out. And make sure that you like this video and do what to share with your friends, your village members, your besties, your church members, your mosque members, your parakmo members, and all your enemies in your village. So without further ado, let's get right into today's business. Come with me, let's go. So besties, are you looking for a prestigious opportunity to pursue advanced studies in the social sciences and humanities? Have you heard of the DAAD Institute for Graduate Studies? They are now accepting applications for their fully funded scholarship programs. Yes, so you heard me right. And here is what they cover. They cover full financial coverage. Yes, so complete tuition fee waiver, monthly stipend for living expenses, health insurance coverage, as well as your round-trip airfare. And here is the academic programs that they have: master's and PhD programs in social sciences and humanities. Guys, world-class faculty and research facilities are the things that you stand to enjoy. You also enjoy Arabic and English language programs. And here is the eligibility requirements: bachelor's degree for master's program and master's degree for PhD program. You need a strong academic record as well as relevant research interest. And here are the required documents. You need your academic transcripts, you need your statements of purpose, you need your letters of recommendation, you need your research proposal for your PhD, and you need language proficiency proof. The application deadline is on their website, but guess what? You can apply right now. See, there are lots and lots of opportunities awaiting you guys. Visit the official DAAD Institute website for complete details and application. And here is how to apply. First thing you need to do is to visit the official scholarship portal, then create your applicant account, then complete the online application form, then upload all the required documents, then submit your application before the deadline, and then track your application status online. I always say this to everyone: stay ready so you don't have to get ready. And I hope by now, by the time you are watching this video, I hope that you already have your transcript. Yes, I hope you have booked your transcript. I hope you have done your transcript evaluation as well. I hope you've sent it to World Education Service or any other global evaluating body that evaluates students' transcripts from all over the world. I hope you have that. I hope you have your recommendation letter ready. And I hope you have people that can give you references in your university where you studied earlier. People who can vouch for you, people who can speak for you, people who can say positive things about you, people who really know you. You've established a relationship with people from your alma mater, and see, you need those relationships like right now. So go ahead and start applying for these opportunities. Yes, and just so you know, there are many multiple scholarships. So in my next video, I'm going to share another scholarship in the UK. Yeah, so in London specifically, where you can also study abroad on a scholarship. So please don't miss out on all of these juicy details I'm sharing with you guys on this channel. If you have not introduced yourself yet, please go ahead and do that. I really want to know you and I want to meet you. Where are you watching from? Because see, I'm rooting for you. And beyond watching my videos on this channel, this is not just one other channel. This is not just another channel. My channel is different from maybe other channel that you've been to, because here I want to know you. Yes, you that are watching me right now. I want to know you. What is your name? Where are you watching from? Just leave it in the comments. I want to read from you guys and I want to interact with you guys. Like, I'm building a community here. It's not just about me coming to share this information with you. I really want to know you. What is your name? What do you do for a living? How did you find this video? At what stage are you right now in your application? Have you applied for any scholarship? Have you applied for any admission? Do you need help? If you need help and you want to book a one-on-one consultation with me, feel free to join my Patreon community. Yes, I have a Patreon membership where you can actually be a member of and you can book a consultation with me anytime. And you can decide to also join my channel membership by clicking on the join button. There's a join button right next to the subscribe button right here. Join my channel membership and you can also book a one-on-one consultation with me. So are you going to be applying to this school today? Let me know in the comments. If you are going to be applying, let me know as well. And what stage are you already in your application? Like I said, always stay ready so you don't have to get ready. Make sure that you have your transcripts in place. Make sure that you have your references in place. Make sure that you have your people. I want to mark in school, like people that you can reach out to when it comes to leaving references, giving you reference. You need people that can say positive things about you, so that it's also gonna strengthen your application. Yes, it's gonna strengthen your chances of getting your admission. So please don't miss out on all of these juicy details. When you travel abroad, there are so many benefits that it comes with. You can meet your life partner, you can get immersed in the culture, yes, of the country that you're going to. It's also another chance for you to learn a new language. And then you also get to navigate how systems work in other countries. You're able to interact and also share, yes, how things work in your country as compared to how things work in your final destination. I mean, the country where you decide to go study. And if you have any question for me, or if you need me to do a research related to your specification, please let me know in the comments. And please do not forget to check out the eligibility criteria. Check out if it is open to all countries, if your country is eligible to apply for these scholarships, because there are some that are really, really restricted, but they are very rare. But please make sure that you apply even if you do not qualify. Make sure that you are also, if you can also put your leadership or community involvement as part of your application. It's going to strengthen your application. And just so you know, a lot of universities need people who can add value to their own community. If you have been doing that from your home country, they definitely have the belief that you also are willing to also add value to their community, to their local community as well. Nobody wants a burden. Nobody just wants to sponsor anyone and then they just study and then disappear. No, they want you to also add value to their community. And if you have been doing it before, they have the confidence in you that you will do it again, and it's part of you. It's ingrained in you, and you have it in you to give back to the society, and they also want to benefit from you as well. So it's a win-win situation. It's a symbiotic relationship. Nobody wants a parasitic relationship. Nobody wants a one-way relationship where only one person benefits, only one person keeps benefiting and benefiting. No, you also need to pour in, and then, like that, make it a symbiotic relationship so that they don't get tired of you. All right, guys, I have come to the end of today's video. Please let me know your thoughts as well after watching. If you want me to improve on anything at all, let me know. And if you want me to do a research similar to your specification, also let me know. If there's a country at the back of your mind that you really want me to focus more on, more research on, please let me know in the comments. Your wish is my command. I'm working for you guys day and night. Like I said, I slept at 2:30 a.m. Yes, the other day, researching all of these opportunities just for you guys. And if you have any question for me, don't hesitate. I'm here. Let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. Till I see you in my next video, make sure that you stay ready so you don't have to get ready. And in case someone has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing, you're sweet, you're purchased, and I'm so proud of you. Take care, guys, and bye for now. Love you.